I think there's zero chance of bipartisan cooperation.
Really?
And I respectfully disagree. I think that Paul Ryan is exactly right. This is the best chance they have. If they don't get this passed, and this is a modest proposal compared to what Senator Cotton and these other guys, they just want everybody to fend for themselves, essentially, except for old-timers and really poor people when it comes to medical care. I think that this is a reasonable compromise. I don't like it. I want socialized medicine. I want Medicare for everybody. But if the Republicans don't get anything done, I think that this bill makes some sense. It does give some, some consideration to the poor. It does give some consideration to the chronically ill, to those with pre-existing conditions and so forth. I think that if they don't do this, they aren't going to do anything.
So what's the alternative?
And it will preoccupy everybody. How many times did we vote to repeal and replace Obamacare? The Congress?
Well, it's that preoccupation
30 times, 25 times.
That
It's just going to go on, and that's all we'll talk about.
Behind trying to get it done. But you know, McClatchy Newspapers was reporting today, Megan, that and I mentioned it just briefly, that the goal would be to get this through the House and Senate and get something on the president's desk by April. April's the middle of, or rather by Easter. That's April 16th. That's relatively quickly.
Mm-hmm. Listen, everything is political, as we all know at this point, and I think people in the Freedom Caucus like Rand Paul, people like Justin Amash, these are purist conservatives, especially when it comes to fiscal issues, in the most intense sense I could possibly convey to you. So part of this is just a fight of political ideology, that they don't want Medicaid expansion, that they ran in a certain way and have made promises to their constituents, and if they come back to Arkansas like Tom Cotton is and says, I voted for Obamacare Light, but I ran on repealing and completely replacing, there's political prices to pay.
Part of it